Hi guys, happy Thursday. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we are on a nature walk. On the daily it says we were supposed to go for a nature walk today. So me and Noelle and Zoe, who's up ahead, are on a nature walk. And sometimes also when you go camping, when you camp out at different campsites, you can go on, they might have trails and stuff for you to go and walk around too. So we're just gonna walk around, look around at some stuff, see what kind of adventures we can get in doing. And all right, let's keep going.
Lots of branches.
Branches. There's lots of nice scenery. All right, we came across a little stream here to cross. Zoe made it. Let's see if Noelle can make it.
Oh my God, Zoe! I'm not gonna get across that!
Just step in the water. That's downstream. Oh, made it safely. Oh, look it. See, there's like a waterfall up ahead.
Oh, that's not happening.
That's not happening.
No, that's not happening.
Oh, look how nice.
Look at that waterfall. This is huge.
Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. I found us a pond. Remember Pond Week? I couldn't find a pond anywheres. Well, I stumbled upon a pond. I didn't even know it was here. And I haven't seen any ducks in this pond, but it's a lot of green, mossy stuff on the top. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to get through the little tree branch here, and I'm going to show you in 1 second. All right, here it is. Look at all that moss on the top.
Are you scared?
Ooh. We have to look closely. I don't know if we see any. Oh, Noelle's poking it. Better make sure a frog don't jump out at you.
Frog?
Here it is. Haven't found any animals yet on this nature walk. We'll cross and we'll look in the middle here. Oh, put that down.
I'm gonna put it in the water.
No,
I want to dip the frog in the
put it, stab it in the ground. Oh, I hear it. I don't know if you just heard that noise, but it was like a frog noise. There must be a frog somewhere. Oh, I see it. I'm so excited. I found a frog.
Where? Oh my God, there it is.
Can you guys see it? It's right there in the middle. Say ribbit, ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. So cute.
How exciting.
How cute.
All right, here's the rest of the pond as we walk on this lovely little boardwalk here.
We need to dive. We saw a frog.
The kids are very excited we saw a frog.
Huh? Ambia. Oh my God, what was that?
Something's in the water. Let's see if it comes back out. Oh. I wonder if it was a frog.
It scared me.
Scared Noelle. Did you hear her scream? Maybe if we wait a minute.
There's someone like in that area.
Maybe it was a fish.
It scared me. Or maybe a lizard.
Maybe
Maybe a snake.
maybe it's an anaconda.
What's that?
A big snake.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Just kidding.
Oh, there's something right down there. There was something right down there.
You can see it?
Yeah, right.
It's probably grass or leaves.
No, right there. You see that?